We need your support. Click the like buttons below. Now onto the video. Welcome to readtheticker.com black screen TV news item. Now if you want more detail on the subject, you're going to have to go to RTT Plus as a member. But this is a quick rundown on what Bitcoin needs to swing higher dramatically. So here we have the blue shaded area, which will represent fantastic moves in Bitcoin, and we're just highlighting correlations with other charts. Here we have emerging markets. Here we have the S&P 500. Here we have Bitcoin log chart, and you see the great moves in Bitcoin, where the emotion really gets going and Bitcoin price is bid up quite strongly. Here we have Litecoin, similar. And more importantly, look at the euro, which is an opposite to the US dollar. Good rallies in the euro coincide with very good rallies in Bitcoin. Now, there's some very important news happening this year. Apparently, the US government has to roll over in the first 6 months of 2020 $6 trillion of debt. That means it's expiring and has to, it's just like refinancing. Now, I believe they have a very heavy burden, maybe the same similar amount in the second part of this year. Now, there's quite a few options how they can motivate buyers to purchase refinance the $6 trillion of debt. They have to change some regulations with Basel. Apparently, they won't be able to do that. But the best motivation they can encourage buyers for the US government to sell their debt is to lower the US dollar. Now, to lower the US dollar, they're going to have to fight off the demand from US dollar. The demand for US dollar comes from the rather large US dollar debt in the world, because large US dollar debt requires large US dollar interest payments, and large US dollar interest payments require the purchase of US dollars. So that's a huge demand pool. So therefore the US government, probably via through the mechanisms or whatever else they can do, will have to get the US dollar down against this strong demand to sell $6 trillion worth in the first 6 months of US debt. That will obviously create a swing up in the euro, which is, as you can see, is poised. It's done a base here. It's broken into that base there, so it's not true discipline, but it's starting to tick up now. So if the euro was to swing up to 120, 122, 123, I would feel that out of the 1, 2, 3, you'll get a 4 strike, with Bitcoin enjoying a rally over 10,000, maybe even tripping up to 20,000 and beyond. Because as we know, it doesn't take much to get up there. Now, if you want to read more about the details, how I know about the $6 trillion and the US government, be a member of RTT Plus for more details. But the first half of 2020, and most likely the second half, should be enjoyed by a weaker US dollar, stronger euro, stronger Bitcoin, stronger Litecoin. One caveat is it also corresponds with a rather joyous and happy stock market. So the Bitcoin enjoys a rally when the emotions are bullish in stocks and euro and bearish in the US dollar. So that means the US stock market could creep up to 4,000 quite easily, and in an election year, as we know, the stimulus is out for the incumbent to get elected. This is all subject to left field action, something happening, lightning bolt, asteroid, anything else that can rock the markets. But at the moment, as we stand today, going into 2020, watch the US dollar, corresponding euro, and the and obviously the pump up in Bitcoin. Thanks for watching.